दिल्लीમાં ઉડારે ગુલાલ ગુલાબી રંગ કેસરિયા.
So friends, namaskar. In this class we will study exercise 13.3, question number 8. It is one of the practical question. Water in a canal 6 meter wide and 1.5 meter deep is flowing with a speed of 10 km per hour. How much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes if 8 cm of standing water is needed? So the question is very practical question. Actually the canal is just like a cuboid shape. Cuboid. How it is? Suppose this is not here. This is the wall and this is the wall. These two all are the walls, and it is given this depth, this width, and the length is replaced by the speed of the water. In 1 hour 10 kilometer length will fall down from here. This is the canal 6 meter wide and this meter deep. Deep means suppose you may take height for the upside, deep for the deep is equal to 1.5 meter. Width, this is the width. So width is equal to, width W is equal to 6 meter wide, and the length, length, speed of water, as a length, this is 10 kilometer per hour. But we have to find, read the question. A farmer consists of water in a canal 6 meter wide and this meter deep is flowing with the speed of this. How much area will irrigate in 30 minutes? Means the length of the water, which is 30 minute will flow down in the ground. The ground is again a cuboid shape. But now this time, this, just take it as area irrigated by this water, whose standing water, this height, the height of the 8 centimeter, this is 8 centimeter, and this area we have to find, area of irrigation. So volume of water of this canal means in cuboid form, it is again a cuboid form, but you have to find completely area. So volume is equal to area into height, or here you may say length into breadth, area, and then height. So the speed of water is 10 km per hour. So length of water flow in 30 minute will be, this is per hour, so half of this one, so 5 kilometer per 30 minute. This 5 kilometer means 5000 meter per 30 minute. So within 30 minutes, this much length of water will be changed in this much area. So volume of the water is equal to the volume of this one. So volume of water in canal is equal to volume of water in field. This one in field. So volume of water, length, breadth and height in 30 minutes. So volume of water in canal in 30 minutes only. This was 30 minutes. So we have found length in 30 minutes. So length 500 meter, width this 500 meter, this was 500 meter in 30 minutes. So 500 meter, then width, then deep into 6 meter into 1.5. This is meter, so this is meter cube is equal to volume of the water in field. So this volume is equal to area into height. So height into area, volume. Height is 8 centimeter. So 8 upon 100 meter, and then area. So area is in meter square, and this is in meter. This and this is meter cube. So 5000.1 decimal. So one zero will be removed. 15 6 are 90. 15 6 are 90. 9 5 are 45. So directly 45 and then 2 0. 9030, and this is meter cube. Now the area, this is the area. So 100 will go up. So for this, multiply 100 upon 8 is equal to area. Area in meter square. So 8 multiply 8 5s are 40, 5 50, 8 6s are 48, 2 20, 8 2s are 16, 4 40, 8 5s are 40, and then 2 0 is equal to area in meter square. This is, so this is the answer, but the answer is asking how much area will irrigate in this much. This is the answer, area this much, but if you can write in it in hectare also. Hectare, what is hectare? So first write it. What is hectare? Hectare is nothing but if a area is such that 100 meter into 100 meter, 100 meter into 100 meter, so this area will be 1 hectare. 1 hectare means 100 is equal to 1 hectare. 100 into 100 it is equal to 1 hectare. So in the hectare you can find the area. divided by 10,000 meter square. You will have an area in hectare. So 10,000 means 40. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 56.25. Okay. So write area is equal to 562500 whole divided by 40, and then it is hectare. So the answer is 56.2500 hectare. This is the answer. Or you may write this answer also. But it appears to be a very large number, but it is only 56 hectare. So the area is measured in hectare. So this was the answer. Very good question. Change of the volume, shape of the volume is changing. One cuboid to another cuboid. Okay. Thank you. Keep watching.